lasanao I Madagasikara oh Jesosy hoazinao ny tanindrazanay oh Jesosy lasanao I Madagasikara.
Fiadanana fifoazam-panatanteraka laharana fahadiam-efapolo ny mpanompon'Andriamanitra Julien Georgette no nahazo fanambarana fa na minontsika na tsy minontsika dia ho avy ny fifoazam-panahy eto Madagasikara. Mitombo hatrany ny famantarana ho anao izay manaraka mino dia mandray sandraikitra anafainganana an'izany. Fiadanana e!
And if Jesus is moving, millions of angels is moving with him. Jesus for Madagascar. And a revival will happen. If you like it or not. If you like it or not. Revival will happen in Madagascar. Revival will happen in Madagascar. Revival will happen in Madagascar. If you like it or not. Because it's not about you. And you are not the boss. This patron. He is the patron babe. Because he is God. He is God.
Mbola etaeta fotsy maty atanaatrano aty zao ka mandramaty avamiasikara ny ho an'ny Kristy ary Kristy aneo anao tandrazako
lasanao I Madagasikara oh Jesosy hoazinao ny tanindrazanay oh